phone and the mics. Oh, shite bags. Come on. I'll make it 2 minutes. Oh, it stopped. That's fucking alarming. What the fuck was that? Wasn't anything, was it?
A939.
Yeah, fucking Z's are right. Ah, shit. A while ago, I had my drive shaft on my Mustang upgraded to a QA1 carbon fibre drive shaft. This is a stock drive shaft. I'll throw up a picture on the screen to show you what that looks like. That drive shaft had a sticker attached to it. So what we suspect has happened, as this rotates, this sticker has come loose, and this bit has ended up flapping against something under the vehicle, maybe the exhaust pipe, and that's created that horrendous flapping noise as this thing rotates around rapidly. And gradually it's peeled off more and more and more. Hence it got louder as it went along, and eventually it stopped because it flew off. To confirm this is the case, I stuck a camera under my car. This sticker is no longer on the drive shaft. I've never heard the sound again. It's been a couple of months. Also, if you're a drive shaft manufacturer, please don't stick your blimmin' stickers on the drive shaft. I had visions of thousands of pounds leaving my account to pay for a new gearbox. But yeah, it was just a stupid bloody sticker. So yeah, that's it. Subscribe.